Okay, so in this lesson we'll learn how to generate a barcode and a QR code using MS Office. Okay, you can use Microsoft Word, Excel or PowerPoint for this. Okay, for the first part we'll learn how to generate a barcode, and the first thing you need to do is you need to download a font called ID Automation H339M. Okay, download the free version from the internet. I'm using the www.font.com website. I've already downloaded the font over here. Okay, let me go here, and you can download the font from this website. Okay, it's www.fonts.com. okay, since I've downloaded it, I'm going to double click and install the font. I'm going to close this, double click, install. Since it's already installed, I'm going to say yes again, so it's going to reinstall the whole thing again. Close this once it has installed, and then start up Excel or Word. I'm going to start up Word. Okay, once you start up Word, type in your codes. Okay, so I'm going to type in my codes. These are my codes. Just something random. Okay, now all you need to do is highlight these, highlight your codes, and just go and change the font into ID Automation. And there you go, it's generated. Okay, you can do the same thing in Excel. And to do it in Excel, it's a little different. You open up Excel, type in your codes, and what you need to do is you need to change these into not numbers but a general format. Okay, so go into categories, go into the format cells, number, and change it to general. Click OK. Okay, again, same thing. Come over here and apply or change the font to ID Automation. Press enter, and there you go, it's generated for you. Okay, now to generate QR codes, what you need to do is you need to have an add-on, and that the add-on, you need to search for it. Go into get add-ons or add-ins and look for QR code, and I'm going to search for QR code, QR, enter. That's the one we need, QR for Office. I'm going to say add, continue, and there you go, it has installed it. And now what I can do is, let's say I want to have a code for Facebook. Facebook.com, and I'm going to put it right here. So I'm going to type in my code, or sorry, my address, facebook.com, and this one is, and automatically it's going to generate the code for you. Just say insert, and there you go. Of course, if you want, you can play around with the colors, and of course all those. Also, you can play around with the size. Let me change the color. Okay, if I say insert, there you go. Okay, that's another one. Okay, similarly, you can do the same thing for, let's say you have an email. Let's say my email at gmail.com. Okay, again, it is going to generate the code for you, or the QR code. All you need to do is just say insert, and now it has generated that code for you. Okay, so that is how it's done. Thanks for watching.